The Michigan Soybean Promotion Committee is proud to offer the following soybean production video featuring Mike Staton of Michigan State University Extension.
The SMART On-Farm Research Program was started back in fall of 2010, and the purpose of the program is to evaluate new practices, new equipment, or new products on producers' farms in a very replicated and scientific method so that we can produce statistically valid results that farmers can take to the bank. The nice thing about it is they're using their equipment, and what we do is we do the statistical analysis, the statistical design, and put some economics onto it, and producers can learn what's making them money and what's not making them money. Over the last 6 years, there's been some highlights in our on-farm trials, and probably the biggest one is our planting rate trials, or population trials. We've done this in several iterations, but the most recent one is in 2015 and 16. We had 22 trials where we evaluated 4 different planting rates, and all the way from 80,000 plants per acre, dropping 80,000 seeds per acre, all the way up to 160,000 seeds per acre. And the interesting thing is, we found in both years that the lower populations were the most profitable in 2 different growing seasons across 22 environments. We're testing those same populations again this year to see if we can help producers even increase their income even further or have more reliability. One of the hallmarks of our on-farm trial program is we really try to look for multiple locations and multiple years. So that's over the last couple of years, we're trying to boil down the number of projects that we do in a given year, but hold them over more locations. The planting rate trial, as I mentioned, was one of the biggest ones. We had 11 locations in each year. We've had foliar fungicide trials where we've had probably 12 in each year. And but we'd like to take a product or practice, apply it in multiple locations, multiple environments over multiple years. This last year, for example, we have, I think we've got 8 different projects, or if we include gypsum, about 9 projects, and we have 67 locations across the state. 35 producers are helping us do that. 45 producers are volunteering their time and effort to generate these results. How do we stay in tune with growers' concerns or the items that they want to put on their trials? What do they think is most important to them? Well, what we do is we present the results at grower meetings every year, reaching anywhere from 500 to 700 people, and what we do is we pass out written surveys, or we use the turning point clickers to survey the producers and find out what they want to see in coming years. And they tell us, either in written form or using these clickers, what's the highest priority for them. And then we sit down as a team and we sort through those, and we try to pick what we think is doable in our large strip trials. So that's kind of how we get there. Individual producers give me input. The board, of course, the Michigan Soybean Promotion Committee board gives me input. So yes, I think we're pretty well grounded in what the producers want. Kind of a corollary that's really interesting is if you choose to be a cooperator with us, one of the things that some of our past cooperators have done is they actually tweak the system to where, like a planting rate trial, for example, we give them 4 set planting rates to do. But the producers in the past have said, well, none of those quite match what I'm doing. So those producers have taken the liberty to insert their own planting rate into this trial so they get to see how what they're doing on their farm compares to the ones that we came up with. And I think that's just a really good carrot. I had somebody just do that this year with a white mold trial. We had 2 fungicides that we pegged for them, and this person said, well, there's a herbicide that's been touted as having really good white mold performance and suppression. Can I insert that as one of the treatments in the trial? And he's just as happy as can be to do it, and I am as well, because we may learn from that. So it's just a really nice opportunity for our cooperators.